Hey, it's Seth from Red Eye Garage. Just wanted to take a minute today and talk about fenders a little bit. If you're working on a flat fender or a CJ-5 or any other Willys Jeep, you're probably running into some issues. And this is actually a pretty good fender. It could be fixed, but man, look at these louvers. The brace is broken. It's had a little bit of custom work done to it over the years. The top seam is welded. All the captured nuts are broken, and it's pretty ugly. Kaiser Willys can help. Check out this beautiful reproduction flat fender. It's made from nice heavy steel. It comes dent-free and primed and ready to fit to your Jeep. This is going to save you so much time, and time is money, so it's saving you money in the long run. And nice heavy construction, and everything is ready to go. So the brace is in place, and this comes with all the holes drilled to fit your grill. They're slotted so you can get it adjusted to your body line. Has all the original spot welds, so if you're going for that factory look, you can leave those. And it's just a nice piece, and it's ready to go on. As with any large item that is shipped, please make sure to call and ask about availability. With tariffs and things, sometimes they aren't in stock as quickly as we'd like them to be, so make sure you call and we can give you an update on the availability of these. But it's just a really nice piece, and it's going to make assembly and finishing your project so much easier. So grab a new replacement fender from Kaiser Willys and get your project back on the road quickly.